Hi everyone, this is Hugo and Ben. We are presenting to you our first video on this YouTube channel, and we are quite excited.
Nice.
These are the new helmet for the Onewheel, Lyon Onewheel school. During this weekend, Rasheed introduced us to connected breathing. And here is some few words from Rasheed.
Imagine going to a magical location where you can fully relax, unwind, and let go. A place where your cortisol levels go down and your noradrenaline levels go up.
Where are we going?
We're going to Salagou to breathe and to go in freezing cold water. Incroyable. En vrai?
Impatient.
Mais regarde!
The blend of connected breathing combined with cold water exposure and shredding the dopest trails Europe has to offer has proven to significantly augment one's dopamine levels.
That I'm gonna do it. You're coming with us?
The team is looking forward to seeing you and experiencing our next flow treat.
the brain off. Yo! Let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Are we all here? Did you enjoy your weekend?
No, I don't.
Yeah? What was your favorite moment? Ben? Oh, yeah. Screaming the water. And you, Fabio, what is your favorite moment?
That was you. Yeah, I think we enjoy a lot the cold water because it's something we don't experience every day.
That was what you said, because maybe next time you have to do it 3 times a day. If you like it so much, you.
I think we can thank Rasheed for this opportunity to understand it.
Thank everybody for the nice weekend and Vince for the organization.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Make sure to follow us on our new YouTube channel and on our Instagram account.
And as always, float on, my friend.